Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to rotate text. I will go to new file and to create text you can click at this icon. I will create in it, set the name into Mufasucat channel. You can resize the text object, you can click at corner, hold and then you can move into here. Now, if you want to rotate these text objects, you can go back in the corner until you see the cube icons on your cursor like this. You can click, hold, and then you can rotate the text objects. You also can use the ribbon tools. You can click at this option to rotate. Like I will set into minus 30 degree. It will be set into minus 30 degree. To back into normal, you can set into 0. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to rotate text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.